Alarm.com Connected Car extends our 24/7 best-in-class awareness and insights technology from home to vehicle. Before beginning, ensure you and your vehicle are in a safe location where cellular coverage is available. Your vehicle's ignition must be off. Begin by logging into the mobile app. Tap the menu button. Tap Add Device. Tap Car Connector. Tap Next, followed by Begin Installation. Use your phone or tablet's camera to scan the car connector serial number or enter it manually. Plug in the car connector to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and do not start your car until instructed to do so. After starting your ignition, wait for the car connector to be configured. Name the device and tap Next. That's it. Now you're all set to begin using Connected Car. In order to optimally calibrate your car connector, it is recommended that you drive the vehicle for 10 minutes.